The Manjari Ki Ghani is our new recycling campaign launched across all Sahkari Bhandar and Reliance Fresh stores. We invite.
Thanks to this program Go Green, we have managed to collect lakhs of cartons and we have donated, I think, 250 school desks and a huge number of garden benches back to Mumbai. Now, our commitment is, or I should say our target is, in 2017 alone, we wish to collect 8 lakh cartons, nearly 1 million cartons, and we want to put back, or we want to give 200 school desks now to certain schools. That name itself, I think, tells you what this campaign is about. So we are now urging Mumbaikars in big numbers to bring their empty cartons in for a good cause. So far, from 2010 to date, thanks to this program Go Green, we have managed to collect lakhs of cartons and we have donated, I think, 250 school desks and a huge number of garden benches back to Mumbai. Now, our commitment is, or I should say our target is, in 2017 alone, we wish to collect 8 lakh cartons, nearly 1 million cartons, and we want to put back, or we want to give 200 school desks to certain schools in Mumbai who are in need of these school desks. Now we can
let all the dry waste be collected together. But the question is, what next? What is the next step when the dry waste gets collected together? Just as, and I must congratulate Tetra Pak here for taking the initiative. And the initiative is so perfect that they have completed the complete cycle. If we begin from the consumer, it is the consumer who gets it to the various collection centers. And in this, we must, from the government side, also compliment Reliance and Sahkari Bhandar for setting up so many collection centers. So as I can see, from the consumer it goes to the collection center, and from the collection center through a NGO it goes to the recycler, and from the recycler it comes back to the society. Just as I am complimenting Tetra Pak and all of you who are connected with this experiment, I would also like to assure you that whatever support, whatever coordination you would need from Government of Maharashtra is completely and totally committed to taking this recycling idea to every single home across Maharashtra. I want a situation soon to come wherein I was just asking whether there is a bottleneck in recycling. As of now, everybody said no, the recycler is very hungry. But a point, I would be personally very happy if a point soon comes where we are getting more Tetra Paks than we can recycle. Then I would suggest that
when you hear about esoteric ideas like sustainability and recycling, etc., that feels like something out of reach. But when you say you can put in your one carton that you use, you can bring it when you come for shopping to a modern place like this, and it's not trash, it's something that you're contributing for recycling. We found a very nice way to talk to our customer. We are a very positive place. And this was a way of getting negativity out of the equation of recycling and environment and actually making it positive. And I think the whole fun performance that we saw, which said, "Aam ke aam honge, gutliyon ke daam honge," it's a very intuitive consumer feeling as well. And to say that when I'm going for shopping, the 5 cartons that I've collected, let me just drop it so that I have done my bit. That's my gutliyon ke daam for me in my life. And we thought it resonated very well with our consumer brands like Sahkari Bhandar and Reliance Fresh.